so in order to have some conclusion of this talk, can you tell us what will be the great things in 2015? Will you be having some energy harvesting? Will you be having some new companies bringing home automation solutions to the market using Z-Wave?
There will absolutely be new partners. There's new partners coming on board all the time and new products coming out all the time. So we'll see plenty of that in 2015. I mentioned earlier in our conversation that we are very excited about our 2 new board members, LG and SmartThings under the Samsung umbrella. So that's going to certainly increase our board activity and our activity globally. So from a new technology standpoint, we're going to be seeing products coming out using the new zipper technology. So that's going to change both the pace of the development and the types of products that are developed as that becomes more prevalent. Sigma's putting some pretty exciting things on the roadmap for years to come. Can't really talk about those. Probably that kind of hardware and protocol advancements will be officially in the 2016 kind of time frame, but there's absolutely work being done on how we interface the Z-Wave protocol with techniques like energy harvesting. Because energy harvesting is very interesting for peripheral devices. And then, we've been on this hardware core for a very long time, this 8051 hardware core that's gotten kind of tried and true. So I wouldn't be surprised, and this is not in the announcement, and it's certainly not official information, but I wouldn't be too terribly surprised to see Z-Wave hardware platforms with ARM cores here sometime in the near future. Not 2015. Not 2015. So 2015, I think, was going to just be a year of growth, both in terms of product types and geography. And then there's lots of industry initiatives that are very exciting going on right now. There's Apple HomeKit. There's the All-Scene Alliance, which brings the all-joint technology to the marketplace. There's another initiative called OIC. That's a Samsung Intel initiative. And the Z-Wave Alliance is very, very active in all of these organizations, helping formulate the standards and figure out how that comes to market. So should those initiatives begin to take hold in the marketplace, they haven't yet. They're very interesting, but they really are non-present in the marketplace. Z-Wave will be a big part of that. So when I look to personally where am I going to be spending my time in 2015, it's going to be a lot of time with the HomeKit guys, a lot of time with the OIC guys, a lot of time with the All-Scene guys. And then we're very, very excited, and we have more and more partners coming to the Alliance every year that are taking Z-Wave technology and applying it to a very specific application space called aging independently, or ALL. So this is going to be, it already is a very important marketplace, and it's going to continue to be more important as we all get older, right? Because globally, we're an aging population, and as we get older, we need technology to help us stay in our homes, healthy, safe, longer, and Z-Wave is going to be a very, very big part of that technology that gets applied to that challenge.
So it looks like the industry is starting to work together in order to have interoperability. Everyone will be able to work with each other. Do you think that's the trend today?
Well, that is certainly the goal of organizations such as All-Scene or OIC. Apple's a little different with HomeKit. Basically, what they're saying is that we're going to give you a nice UI on your iDevice. We're going to control that UI so you have good customer experience. We're going to license that UI so I can get some money. It's the Apple model. Nothing wrong with it. It's great. But what we want to do is we want to bring all of these exciting products that are out there to the Apple user. And they're very excited about Z-Wave and how Z-Wave participates in the HomeKit experience because they recognize that there are more home devices using the Z-Wave technology than any other technology out there. So we're definitely going to see Z-Wave participating in the Apple experience, and we'll definitely see Z-Wave be part of and support these industry applications layer initiatives like OIC and All-Scene.
Well, thank you, Mark, for this very interesting talk, and see you next year.
Absolutely. I look forward to it, and thank you so much for your interest in Z-Wave. Have a great show, guys.
Thank you.